Hello everyone. Today we want to do a quick video and show you one of our all-time favorite snacks. Now this is something that could be useful if you're someone trying to lose weight. It's a great weight loss snack. It could be helpful for someone who is trying to keep the weight off, just enjoying a healthy life and wants a nice snack. Good for families. Something that can be eaten by little ones like Bridget, who's 12 months old, but you need to do a few specific things to just make sure that you do it right. And so, yeah, popcorn, that's what we're talking about today. And so I'm gonna turn this around and show everyone our popcorn making apparatus. We've just got an air popper here. Now the great thing about this is gonna cook or pop around 1/4 of a cup of popcorn at a time, and 1/4 of a cup of popcorn is gonna be around 150 calories of popcorn. You could obviously do more if you were cooking for a larger family. So all we do, pull this off, pop that in there, and I highly recommend buying organic popcorn. That's all we buy, and we do plan on growing some too. And all you do is just pop it on. That's the beautiful thing. It works with hot air, and so we'll let that go. And once that starts popping, we'll come back to it. But talking about some of the ways that it's good for Bridget is you don't want to give her the whole kernel or the whole popcorn, because there is some of that hole that the babies can choke on or inhale. And so what you do is just basically pull the kernel and hull off. Very simple, very easy, and then it just melts in their mouth and presents no more risk than some disgusting popped air puffs, baby whatever, that is full of oil and sugar and salt and whatnot. So that's the big thing. This is a good snack for keeping it simple, and that is one of our big mottos here, is it not, Bridget Rose? Keep it simple. Keep it simple. You can tell that Bridget is a fan of the popcorn. She's about to hop out of my arms. One other thing to think about is if you want to, you could eat it just plain, and that's perfectly fine. The big things to watch out for is that 150 calories is going to turn into 1,000 calories if you start putting butter or oil or spraying oil or butter on there. So do not do that, ever. Do not do that. You could eat it plain. We feed Bridget plain, she loves it. But you could also use some different techniques. And I'm going to pop this over here so that everyone sees what's happening. We're starting to pop. And the nice thing, I really like this air popper because you only have a few kernels, 1 or 2 that got in there. And once it starts popping, it will just fill up a bowl. It's amazing to see how much popcorn that little bowl full really has. Bella got some. All right. And you'll see there a nice big bowl of popcorn, and I always take some and just put it here for Bridget Rose, and then I will come through and I'll show you on this one right here. You can see, we can turn here. Still has this hole here. That's a choking hazard. And so basically I'll do this. And I've taken that hole off. All you have is that soft popcorn bit. And let's see if Bridget likes it. Is that a winner? All you're thinking about is the next one. I know you want more. We'll get you some more. But to season and flavor it, because a lot of people aren't going to necessarily just want air popcorn. You can do a couple different things. A lot of people say we're using pickle juice is fine. I use a water and soy sauce or water and liquid amino mixture. You could put in some maple syrup. You could put in some agave. You could do a lot of different things. Date syrup. And just get a little spritzer bottle. You can get stainless steel ones. This is just a plastic one. That's all we use it for, is our air popcorn basically. And also if we're using the air fryer and I want to create a little bit of a crisp layer, I'll use that. Maybe that's a topic for another video. But yeah, and then you can sprinkle on, once you spray it, you can sprinkle on nutritional yeast. You can sprinkle on some salt if you want. So the salt's not gonna, unless you're someone who is severely, on maybe Dr. Esselstyn's Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease book. Salt, you're gonna be all right putting some salt on there. Big thing is keep the oil off of it, keep the processed junk out of there, and it becomes a wonderful snack that you can share with your family. And also be careful if you're sharing with little ones, right? Make sure it's just meltable in the mouth. Well, all right, Bridget, we got some popcorn to eat. Then we got some work on the farm to do. Well, we hope everyone enjoyed this video, and we'll keep you posted on the next one. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you did like this video and you want to see more like it. And yeah, we love you. We'll see you soon. Let's say bye. You're just thinking about more popcorn. All right.